Hi guys, and welcome back. I didn't upload for a while. I was busy with exams and school projects. In this video I will showcase the current game I'm working on. If you saw my last devlog, it's been 3 months since the last time I uploaded a devlog. As you can see guys, there is a lot to cover. In this video, I am trying to reach 1,000 subs. Press subscribe or he will chase you. Anyways, let's get started. Alright, starting with the shop, but first, you can hover over the items to see its rarity and its name. Once you are close, an E button will appear. If you press E, you will be able to purchase the skin or even equip or unequip it. But in order to purchase, we need to collect some coins. Alright guys, we have enough coins to purchase all the skins. There is an effect once you buy it. Also, the shop is not final. Everything you see is not final. You can equip the skin you want, and when you leave the game, your data will save. In the main game, there will be the prices and sales for the coolest skins. As you may notice, there is a camera zoom out when the player jumps. The gift is my favorite. If you have skins ideas, leave a comment. It's looking really good. Each skin will have a different selling effect and advantages. Now we move to the next system, which is the grave system. Here is a friend helping me to showcase it. So basically, it's a flower. Spawns once a player die. It indicates where the player died. It also includes the player's name and a random selected joke. There will be skins for graves too. Don't forget to leave a comment. I always read them all, and I'd like to hear your ideas. Now this is a cool obstacle. It might look like a normal box, but it will block the way, and all you have to do is hit it, and it will play a nice effect. As you can see, there is a similar effect. I just improved the visuals for the explosive rock that I showcased in the previous devlog, which adds more feelings of satisfaction to the game. This is my friend Will. He is AFK in the game for almost 7 hours. He doesn't know that. I recorded him and Hez in the video. Here is some new obstacles. The first one is a sign that makes you sit. The other two are just falling platforms, but with different animations. There will be similar obstacles with different design. If you guys want to support me, like and sub, and I'll leave a link for my group in case you want to donate. You can purchase my shirts. My friend made them for me. They cost 15 Robux in total. Feel free to donate. Now for the power-ups, starting with the bomb. Power-up, you can shoot it. It will damage the nearest players, and it has a nice visual effect. Also, you can see the toolbar. It shows the equipped tool. The bomb will always go in the direction you face. I am currently disabling the sounds. The game has really good sounds. The next power-up is a speed boost. It has a cool effect when you are running, and when you take it, the game will be based on speed. You have to be fast and good at avoiding. This is a really fun power-up. It's a banana sword. You will have limited time to use it. It has a nice visual effect when you hit other players. Also added a damage effect. It appears when the player loses health. I might add a gun too. Don't forget to suggest ideas. I'm trying to make the game as fun as possible, meanwhile adding what you love. Will is still a FK. It's been 12 hours. He is a big supporter. He already purchased the shirts. Thanks, Will. I also added wall jumps, and for the next power-up, It's an umbrella, so basically, it's a glider, or you can say a parachute. Design for everything is not final. This apply to this parachute. If you guys want to test these, I'll leave a link in the description. I will cover some UI elements real quick, starting with the level bar. Every time you deliver a box, you receive a certain amount of XP. Also, it's going to be used for going through shortcuts in each map. Then we have the toolbar. It will show your equipped box or the current power-up you're using. Then we have the timer. It's different from the previous devlog. Nothing of the UI elements is final. Now we have the final part for this video. It's the win animation. This is how it's gonna be. And yep, that's it for this devlog. I hope you guys had fun. I'm trying to reach 1,000 subs. Thanks for your support. Stay tuned for the next video.